This week's feast,
Dorayaki! What's up, everybody? This week on Feast of Fiction, Ashley has returned! Yay! Welcome back. And we brought Motoki onto the show as well.
Oh, yeah, what's up?
Now, Motoki, one of your favorite animes growing up was Doraemon, right?
Growing up, I watched a lot of it.
Wait, did you watch it in Japanese?
Yeah.
Wow.
Back then, 日本語は分かってたから、今はちょっと無理かもしれないけど。
hey, we're gonna need
That's-
subtitles.
Yeah.
It's so good to have more Japanese people on this show.
I know.
Culture.
Representation. So what is the show about then? For those that don't know.
Yeah, Doraemon is about this robot from the future who comes and befriends this Nobita, who's like kind of your average Joe with glasses, and he's kind of a dork if we're being real. But he helps him out with all these adventures and quests that they go along with him and the friends.
And people are always trying to capture Doraemon because he's a robot from the future.
Yeah, so he's like this super technology that like no one really knows about, so they try to capture him using dorayaki to bait him a little bit and swindle him.
He's like the Team Rocket of this universe, trying to get Pikachu,
Yeah.
they're trying to get Doraemon.
I think it's like the system. Like I think
The system!
from the future, because that's where he came from. They try to come back in time.
And so Dorayaki is his kryptonite, right?
Yes, and Nobita, who's his friend's mom, makes great dorayaki. That's his favorite.
Well, there it is. There you have it. The reason why we're making dorayaki today from Doraemon. The recipe for dorayaki is super simple. It's going to be very delicious, and we're going to draw on some cute Doraemon faces afterwards. So are you guys ready to get cooking?
We're so ready.
Let's do it.
Let's go.
The recipe we use for the pancake batter is super simple and delicious, and we've made so many over the years that we'll save you the boring parts of just mixing all the ingredients together. As always, go into the more info box below to check it out and make it yourself. Dorayaki, also known as Dora cake, is a traditional Japanese confection that dates back to 1914. In Japanese, Dora means gong. It's the same Dora you'll find in the name Doraemon from the anime. Fun fact, in the Kansai region of Japan, an alternative name for dorayaki is Mikasa, which coincidentally is the name of another anime character that many of you might be familiar with. Dorayaki used to originally consist of only one layer, but today we use two pancakes stacked on top of each other and filled with delicious ingredients. We spiced up our dorayaki by painting Doraemon's cute face on top using edible food markers. It's definitely a bit of food coloring though, so you can also just do the outlines without filling it in if you'd like. Once you're done, place a bottom dorayaki and cover it with red bean paste or Nutella and some whipped cream, and then stack the two pieces together. And voila! A super easy, fast, and simple recipe to make these incredibly fluffy dorayaki. You choose the filling, eat them at any time of day, and they're gonna be just as delicious.
All right.
Doraemon, I'm so sorry.
Beheading him.
Right down the middle. Okay, what do you want? Like his eyeballs? Or
No, I don't care. I want a triangle.
Just a little.
Itadakimasu.
Yeah.
You don't like it? You don't like red bean paste, or?
I don't like beans.
Yeah, you'll like this a little more. Nutella and whipped cream.
This is like the American version.
Yeah.
I like how spongy the pancakes are.
Yeah,
Very
right?
nice.
This is so good. You gotta try this one now. I mean, you could love red bean as well, but
Ooh,
Nutella.
I just dessert.
It does have that pound cake consistency.
Thank you so much, Motoki, for coming on the show.
Yes,
you.
Thank you.
I have to actually watch Doraemon now. She seems so cute.
Oh, it's very kawaii. Great show too.
Yeah?
Very wholesome, cute, fun.
That's why I like
Got
to
a
hear.
good message?
What is the message? It's a good message. It's to treat your friends right, make sure they live long. I guess.
Wow.
Yeah.
I can't disagree with that. I don't think you'll live very long if you just eat this every day.
But when you're a robot from the future, you can eat as many as you want.
Right.
That's true.
You don't have a system to worry about.
Thank you guys so much for watching. Make sure to subscribe and, of course, leave a comment in the comment section below. Let us know what you want to see us make next, or who you want to see us collab with next, or, you know, if you want Motoki to come back too.
Yeah, and we'll see you next time.
Bye.
Bye.
Bye.